So hello friends, welcome to Bengology, and today we're going to learn about numbers, means Shankha. So today's discussion is about numbers, means Shankha. So we have covered from 0 to 10 and 11 to 20 numbers, and today we will gonna discuss about 21 to 30 numbers. Okay, so this is the part 3 of numbers series. So these numbers, the first one is 21. So how can we write 21? So 21 in Bengali is 21 in Bengali is a kush, a kush, a kush. 21 means a kush. Okay, so today avoid the light quality and focus on the lessons. Okay, so ekush means 21. Ekush, a kush, talbosho. Ekush means 21. So how can we write ekush? First, this is 2 and then 1. Simple. So 2 and 1. Ekush. So this is ekush. Ekush. Ekush is 21. After ekush, we have 22. 22. Okay, ekush. After ekush, we have 22. How can we say 22 in Bengali? 22 means baish. Ba-ish. Ba-ish. Baish. Ba-ish. Ba-ish. Baish. 22 means baish. So we will write 2 and 2. This is 22. Okay, hope you understand this. So after 22, we have 23. So 21 means ekush, 22 means baish, and 23 means teish. 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 So 23 means teish. So how can we write teish? First is 2 and then 3. Simple. Teish means 23, and after 23 we have 24. 23 means teish. 24 means chobbish. What it is? Chobbish. Chobbish. So chom and this double consonant, first cho, then this double consonant bo and bo, double consonant chobbo, then hoshi chobbo I, chobbi, and then talbosho chobbish. So 24 means chobbish. So how can we write chobbish? So 2 and then 4 is chobbish. After chobbish, so okay, after chobbish we have 25 means pochish. Pochish. 25 means pochish. Pochish. 24 means chobbish. 25 means pochish. First here this is po, then cho, then hoshi chi, then talbosho chish. Pochish. Pochish. So how can we write pochish like this? So first we have to write 2 and then 5. So 2 and then 5. So this is 25. Okay. After 25 means 25, we have 26 means 26. 26 means 26. This is 24. 24 means 24. 26 means 26. 26. So here cha double consonant, double bo means double consonant. Chabbo, chabbo, then hoshi, chabbo plus hoshi, chabbi, then talbosho, chabbi, the sho, chabbish. Chabbish means 26. So how can we write 26? Like this. First 2 and then 6. Chabbish means 26. So after 26 means 26, we have 27. How can we say 27? 27 means shatash. 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 So first is dontosho a sha, then to a ta, and talbosho. Shatash. So 27 means shatash. So how can we write shatash? First is 2 and then 7. First 2 and then this 7, which we have discussed in the previous video. So 2 and 7 shatash. 27. For 28 we say atash. This is shatash. 27 means shatash. 28 means atash. Atash. So first one is a, then tho, then a, tha, then talbosho, atash. So how can we write atash? So first is 2 and then 8. This is atash. Atash means 28. So after 28 we have 29. So how can we say 29 in Bengali? 29 means like 19 means unish. Okay, 19 means un and ish, unish. So 29 will be uno tirish. What? Uno tirish. Okay. 29 means unish, un, this un, and for the 19 means unish. For 19 here it is un, and for 29 this is uno. Okay, uno, and this is tirish. So 29 means uno tirish. So uno tirish means 29. Uno, dirgho, dontonna uno, to hoshi ti, ra hoshi ri, and then talbosho. Tirish. Uno tirish. So how can we write uno tirish? First is 2 and then this 9. Is uno tirish. After uno tirish, our final word, final number is 30. Means 30. So 30. Okay. So how can we say 30? So you have to just erase this uno. Okay. So erase this uno. So what it will pronounce? Tirish. So this is tirish. 30 means tirish. So 30 means tirish and 29 is ঊনত্রিশ. Okay, so 30, how can we write 30? First we have 3 and we have 0, so this is 30 is 30. Okay, so now you are noticing that 30 and the, this word, so you are noticing that which is before 30 is uno. Okay, this is 30 is 30 and this 29 is ঊনত্রিশ, means this prefix. Okay, this prefix is at, which this is uno. Okay, ঊনত্রিশ and 30 is 30. So note it down in your notebook, and this is today's class, and I am just saying it again for better understanding. So 21 means a push. 21 means a push. 22 means ba ish. 23 means te ish. 24 means chobbish. So first you have to pronounce chob, then bish. Chobbish. So this is 24. After chobbish we have 25, which is pochish. After pochish means 25, we have 26 means chabbish. After 26 we have 27, which is shatash. After 27 we have 28, means athash. After 28 we have 29, which is ঊনত্রিশ, and 30 is 30. Okay, so this is the whole class of today. Hope you enjoyed the class, and the next video will be from the numbers from 31 to 40.